Okay, once more again, my name is Namdemiwe. So in this CorelDraw tutorial, this is the part 2. So I'm going to show you how to use your shape tools. Then you use your objects to transform your object to another form of object. So the first form you're going to use is the rectangle. You click on your rectangle. You click, hold, and draw a rectangle. So I have my rectangle. So if I want to change my rectangle, the edges, I want to change the edges to curve. I want to curve the edges. How would I start? I told you that if you go to your toolbar and pick any object and draw, your properties bar will automatically change for you. So on my rectangle, the properties bar automatically change for me. So I have my key already locked. If this key is already locked, it means that any particular point I change this. Let me put it to 50. I want to curve the lines. So if I change one line to 50 and click enter on my keyboard, the four edges will automatically change for you. So if I put it back to 0, and click enter, it means you don't have any curve in it. So if I unlock the key and put one side to 50 and click enter, only one particular side will be applied. For instance, you want to design something like an ID card and you want the lines to be curved, you can put it back to 0, then lock your key. Maybe you can put it back to 10 and click enter. You can put it back to, let's say, 5, let's say 0.1. Alright, okay, 0.5, click enter. Alright, 0.5 is okay. So you have it, something like that. So what else can we do with it? So if you go to your tools, if you go to your property, if you want to split to corner, you can click on that, change it again. So you have so many other fonts, so many other styles. If you want to change, it depends on what you want to do. So in designing on CorelDraw, it depends on the particular shape that you want to apply. It depends on the particular shape, depends on the particular job that you want to get it done, so you can know how to fix it. Alright, so we'll continue. This is your rectangle, transform into other shapes. So you can equally change here. Let me say 1. Have something like that. You can increase it to 2. You have something like that. Okay, if you want to build a spaceship, I don't know better, but you know. Okay, we'll continue. So what's the next thing? So we go to click in our circle, moving, click and hold and drag. So you have other forms of shape that you can transform into. This is P. Click on it. Click on it. Come back to the normal shape. So if you're using P, you can select, but I want it to be on 360, or 360 is a complete circle, so we're going to use the 350. So that's something like that. Use 340. You can use 90. So you have something like that. So we don't have to waste your time. Start drawing. Alright, so you have this kind of shape. So we'll go to the next one, which is your polygon. Drag. So I have just 5 side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side. So what if I want to draw more than 5 side? You can go to your property, because the property bar has automatically changed because I picked on the polygon. Say I want 10 side, click inside, type 10. Click enter. it will change, and anyone I draw from now, far side, and select 4, click enter, it's changed automatically for you. So that is it. So anytime you pick any shape on your CorelDraw, make sure you watch the properties bar to see so many other things that you can do with it, because CorelDraw designing is all about using your knowledge. Sometimes you make mistakes, sometimes mistakes turn to a perfect work for you. So if you don't have any particular objects that you want to draw, maybe you're just trying to figure and draw, somebody gives you a work, a design, a flyer, design anything, design a logo for me, and you're trying to figure out what kind of design do I have to put down for CorelDraw for the person. You can keep on designing, keep on mixing some things, keep on looking in for other features. Eventually maybe you can come across exactly what you want. If it's not, you just have to continue. Okay, so we'll have to continue. Go back to arrows, you click to drop down the arrow, don't click inside, just click on the dotted arrow so it will bring out other shapes for you. So you have your arrow shapes, you have your pigs, you have a flow chart. So let's start from our basic shapes. Click on the basic shapes before you start drawing. Watch the particular type of the basic shape that you're about to draw. You can click on the drop down arrow to select. This is the hearts that we drew in the part 1. So ready here for you. So this is the shape of the heart. So you can go back again, select another shape, draw, go back again, so cross and draw. So there I have it. Alright, so we'll continue. So you have your lines, you can equally apply lines. In this particular, your arrow shapes, you can equally apply lines, and it's how tiny you want the lines to be. So let's this one to change automatically. You can draw another one and select another line. Alright, so you have something like that. So we'll continue. Let's click on pick tools, shift our pages to the side so you can be able to draw other shapes. So we'll go back. So you have your arrow shapes, click on arrow shapes, go to your arrow, drop down arrow, so you have so many other forms, draw, so many other forms, draw, so many other forms, and then draw. Alright, so that is it. So okay, so we have your text tool here, which I've already shown you on part 1. So you start typing, you can increase it, you can equally turn it upside down, you can equally apply the font. Go to your pick tool, drop, click, and change the font. Click on the font and change the fonts impact. So you have some other fonts that you can choose. Increase it, you can equally rotate it, click back to undo, you can slant it. So we'll continue. So how our table tool, you click on your table tool, you start drawing. So you have this form of shape. So we'll continue. So you can change your border of your table to inside, draw, change it again, top, so join down. Okay, so that is it in CorelDraw on how to use your shape, manipulate in some of your shapes and get some of your objects done and change them from one particular shape to another. You have a flag sign, so if you want to draw a simple flag sign, you can use that. So let's just try and achieve a simple flag sign. So go to your rectangle and click. I want to click here and drag it down. Okay, let's just select everything here and delete it. Control A and delete. So we'll come back to a normal page. So I want to draw a simple flag sign with my objects without any other effects. Click on rectangle, click and drag. I don't want to drag it up to this, I just want to reduce it to something like this. Then you go to your banner shapes, click on your banner shape and select the form of banner that you want. I want something like this that looks like a flag. Click and draw. So something like that. You can carry it up a little bit to this point. Yeah. So go to your pick tool and click. So that you have something like this. So you can give this a few color. Black. You can give this your own color. Maybe green. So you have a color like that. Alright. So if you want to let me say I want to put it green, white, green, I can just demarcate this. How do you start by demarcating it? You can go to your convert tools here. You have your knife. You use your knife, click on it, then from the top click and drag down, click again, click, drag down, click. Okay, so it's like your knife is not working, so that is it in CorelDraw for you. It's not applying in this particular form of object. So we are going to give it another form of color. So how do you start? We still have to make it green, white, and green. So we have to demarcate it. How do you start by demarcating it? Go to your pick tool and drop. I can go back to my brazier tools. I have my brazier tools. Click on it. Click on top of this place. Click here. Then click here. Click here. Close it here. Alright. I can click outside. I can give it white and give the line white. So you have something like that. I still have some other shapes attached on it. I've not converted this lines because I use brazier tools. Remember in part 1 I told you can use brazier tools and convert. So we're going to do the same. I use my brazier tools and drop here, 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 and here, and give it a few color which is white. I go to my zoom. I zoom this particular object so I can see it very well. I can click outside. I can still change the line. Right click on the line to change it to black so I can see it very well. I go to my shape tool, click on it once, click on the first line, click on it once, and ask the computer to convert it to curve for me by clicking on the curve. Then I can drag, click on this side too, click on curve too, and I can drag. Alright, click on my pick tool, then I remove the line, cancel the line, or I give the line a few color by right clicking. So I have the white in it. Go to my zoom, click on minus zoom. So I have it, green, white, green. Okay, in your own drawing you can decide to adjust it. So if you want to add something like a handle so that the flag is not going to look so, you go to your shape tool or any other tool that you want to use and draw something like that. Give it black, and black is on top, so you have to send it to the back. Click on it, go to arrange, order to back. Yeah, so you can draw another one, or you can just multiply this. Select this, click on plus on your keyboard, plus on your keyboard, your number key plus, click on plus and drag it down. Alright, you can take it up a little bit. So we have it like this. So you have any objects